23 Grand Prix, a new venue, and the return of some classics. 5 key takeaways from the 2022 calendar reveal. The 2022 Formula One calendar has finally been revealed, charting the championships course for the season as the brand new breed of F1 cars prepare to make their debut. It's set to be the biggest F1 season ever. The 2022 Formula One season is set to be the most bumper yet, with 23 races slated for the year, up from the 22 in 2021. 2. There will be a new race in Miami. A new race is always exciting, and 2022 will witness Formula One returning to the state of Florida for the first time since 1959, as we prepare for the all-new Miami Grand Prix on May 6 to 8. 3. We'll finally be returning to some old favorites. The plan is for that situation to be redressed in 2022, with the likes of Suzuka, Montreal and Melbourne all back on the calendar, after all 3 events were forced to be cancelled in 2021. 4. The Monaco weekend will be shortened to 3 days. 5. The season will end in mid-November. And finally, one striking feature of the 2022 calendar is that, despite the 23 races, the racing is scheduled to start in mid-March and finish by mid-November.